The LGB20 user here, and today I'm doing a video for the Samsung Galaxy A02s for Boost Mobile. So Boost Mobile now has the Galaxy A02s as well. It's available now for $59.99. It's right now sale $50 off. The full retail price of the Galaxy A02s is $199.99. So this is a better smartphone. So do keep it in mind. There are some good things about this one, and there are some bad things about this one as well. So, yeah, also here I got the Galaxy A02s. And this is an update over the Galaxy A01 from last year. So, there's the front thing. You guys have your tape light notch with front facing camera. Earpiece up there. Power and 9Ps will be on the right side of the phone now. On the back of the Galaxy A02s, you guys have the triple camera setup along with the camera flash. Samsung logo, and you guys have this pattern on the back. It's a pretty nice pattern on the back here. The left side is there. You guys have the micro SD and SIM card side right here on the left side of the phone. Right there on the top left is your micro SD and SIM card slot. Right side of the phone, like I mentioned, power and button keys. The left side, like I mentioned, micro SD card and SIM card slot. So it says that you need a friend you can count on. With Galaxy A02s, we have taken the everyday essentials and kicked them up a notch. That means you get a long-lasting battery, expandable storage, a slick edge to its display, and a standout multi-lens camera experience, all at our most affordable price. So the specs on here are decent. Like I said, this is a budget smartphone. So the guys get a 6.5-inch display, 13 megapixel main camera, 40 ounces lifetime, 32 gigabytes of storage, and Android 10 with One UI 3.0. So how it works, of course, is you order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick a point, and activate online. It's a pretty simple there. So the main features of the Galaxy A02s. So it's a power that lasts and we have outfitted Galaxy A02s with our 5,000 mAh battery, giving you enough power to make it through the day, plus fast charging for a quick power pick me up whenever you need it. You're welcome. A processor you can depend on. So this is the biggest con about the Galaxy A02s. So it says the Galaxy A02s reliable Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor gives you a phone experience you can depend on. So that's the biggest con about this phone is its processor. This is the Snapdragon 450 inside the Galaxy A02s, and the processor is old as hell. The processor is like 5 years old now. And you guys want to do comparisons? The Snapdragon 450 is the processor that's in the LG Styler 2. The Snapdragon 450 is an old processor. I don't know why Samsung put a Snapdragon 450 processor in this one. Maybe if they put like a 600 series in it, I'm guessing 600 series would have been fine, but a Snapdragon 450 processor, no thanks. Especially now the processor is old as fuck now. So that is my biggest con about the phone is its processor. So yeah. Says here stories that fits your life. Don't compromise when it comes to keeping the photos, videos, apps, and music you love. If Galaxy A02 built on 32 gigabytes of memory isn't enough, you can easily store up to 1 terabyte more by adding a micro SD card. For lenses endless possibilities, whether you are out exploring or hanging with friends. Taking beautiful pics and videos is easy with Galaxy A02s. Capture all the shareable details with the triple lens with a camera setup will put the focus on you with the 5 megapixel front-facing camera. It's better in HD. Keep in touch with friends and family, watch your favorite shows, and stay on top of the latest news and Christopher HD Plus on Galaxy A02s. Impressive 6.5-inch H2S display. That's right, yes, this is an HD plus display. That is a 720p display. So that has to get pretty great battery life in this one. I don't see why y'all can't get great battery life in this one. I don't see why you guys can't. Simply beautiful. It doesn't have to look this good, but it does. That's the A02s. Distinct lines and smooth finish gives her most affordable A02s device an understated beauty. Mexico capable. Second nature even when traveling in Mexico. Plain item is required for that, alright? Also voice command capable as well. So it says keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Boost network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. So that's nice, so that's pretty good for emergencies only. Of course it has hotspot as well, so don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for only good access rates per plan. There's more specs on the A02s. So it just has a 5,000 mAh battery, 48 hours of talk time, non-removable battery. So y'all guys should get great battery life in this one here with the 720p display and the big ass battery. Y'all guys should get great battery life in this one. Y'all guys get 2 GB of RAM, but there's also another con about this one as well. So that's a big con. Is its RAM. But this is a budget phone, guys. But at least if you would put at least 3 GB of RAM in that, it would have been okay. But 2 GB of RAM is 2021. That does not cut it to that, guys. It don't. You do get 13 GB of storage. You do get micro SD card slot, so use that to expand it up to 1 TB. Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor, which is a big con. Android 10 with Formula 2.0, I believe. Yeah. 13 megapixel wide angle camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro lens in the rear, and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. Display is 6.52 inches, that is HD plus, TFT Infinity View display. Dimensions are 6.56 inches height, 2.99 inches width, and 0.36 inches depth. Galaxy A02s weighs 6.77 ounces. Your connectivity options for the Galaxy A02s includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, USB Type-C, and a headphone jack, which is very nice to have. Other features of the Galaxy A02 includes fast charging, which is nice, facial recognition, voice over LTE, and voice over Wi-Fi. I'm guessing that's what that is, so that's pretty interesting. So what's included in the box is your Galaxy A02s prepaid smartphone, charging cable, travel adapter, and ejection pins, and nothing special in the box though. If you guys need help with your Galaxy A02s, Beast Mobile has you covered with that, with device support, which is a great tool. So it says here, want to know everything there is to know about this one. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So yeah. So if you guys have the Galaxy A02s, it's not hurt every mobile screen on sale for $59.99. So not a bad price for this phone. There are some cons, but there are some cons to this phone, of course. This is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. My biggest con about the Galaxy A02s is its processor. Guys, this has a 5-year-old processor in it. I don't know why Samsung decided to put a Snapdragon 450 processor in it. I don't know why Samsung decided to do that. If they were stuck in like a 600 processor, S600 series in here, that would have been fine, but F450 processor, fuck no. Then the RAM is ridiculously fucking stupid. It's like 2 GB of RAM, guys. That does not cut it today, guys. 2 GB of RAM doesn't cut it. Snapdragon 450 processor is old as shit. So if you guys really want to get a comparison of the processor, guys, the Snapdragon 450 processor was in the LG Style 2, which came out in 2016. So, you're getting a 5-year-old processor in this phone. So, like, my two biggest cons about the phone is that its processor and its RAM. But other than that, it's not a bad spec phone for what it is. A budget phone, of course. So you get a big ass battery, fast charging, facial recognition, stuff like that. So, pretty cool. So, yeah, guys, so there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A02s. It's now available at Bitch Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it has me on like, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.